Hi, supply chain 3PL versus 4PL explain. Using a 3PL, you might actually need a 4PL. 3PL is equal to third party logistics. They store, pack, ship. You still manage them. You own strategy. 4PL, fourth party logistics, they manage your 3PLs. One throat to choke. They design your whole network, technology and contracts. Use 3PL if you have a supply chain team. Use 4PL if you want to be supply chain free. 3PL, you drive. 4PL, you hire a driver plus map. Amazon is a 4PL to sellers. Are you spending more than 20% of the time managing logistics? If yes, price a 4PL. Action. How many logistic vendors you mail weekly? Check up. Thank you.